So I've got a job needs doing ASAP. So call me back as soon as you can, yeah? And use this number.
Can I call Mommy?
Oh. Not right now, son. Listen, I know it's a bit strange, you know, coming away from home. You know, I felt the same when my dad took me to the seaside once, because, well, I weren't used to it just being me and him, but we had a great time here, a proper little adventure. I mean, look around you. We're at the seaside, there's loads of fun things to do here. Yeah? Why don't we go and find something fun to do? Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell you what, why don't you forget the toaster, yeah? Let's go and grab a bag of donuts, yeah? Come on in. You know what you're doing? See if I can get you something, eh? So, what are you after?
Dinosaur.
Ah, T-Rex. I should have known, shouldn't I? Eh? Let's see if I can bag you a dinosaur. What do you fancy doing after this? Have you played crazy golf? No? I'm not missing much. What about an aquarium, eh? Do you like fish? No? I know what you do like. I know what you like. You like dinosaurs, don't you? Well, let's see if we can get you one, eh? See if we can get you one. Ah! Oh, is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it? Ah! Phew!
Silly Daddy.
Yeah, silly daddy. Eh? There you go. One scary dinosaur. You happy now?
Can we come here tomorrow?
I was thinking we'd go somewhere else tomorrow. Somewhere really fun, even more fun than this place. You up for that?
Yay!
Thanks, Sam. I'll let you know if we hear anything.
Sam Mitchell?
Yeah. She got a message from Phil telling her to pick her up from the airport this afternoon. He never arrived.
What, do you think the old Bill nicked him before he got on the flight?
No, we'd have heard. So I think he booked that flight when he thought he was flying alone. That's why he didn't make the flight. He didn't have Raymond's passport. He didn't have time to get it.
Right, so if he hasn't got his passport, then he can't leave the country.
I think we both know Phil better than that.
Yeah, I appreciate his short notice. Yeah, I know passports take time, but I wouldn't be asking you if it weren't urgent, would I? No, it's too late. I need it first thing tomorrow morning. Listen, why don't you fire up the coffee machine and get busy, eh? You know, I'll make it worth your while. Nice one. Listen, I'll see you tomorrow, yeah? And I appreciate it. Cheers.
Mommy.
It's all right, son. Daddy's here now, yeah?
Police, please. Yeah, it's my son. He's been kidnapped.